Alright, so with the tertiary colors, again, we're creating the colors that are listed there. So with red-orange, I'm again going to start with the darker value of red, same way that I did it on the color wheel above, and then just put it in with light to medium pressure, carefully controlling it and filling the box. And then I'll just take the orange, which is the lighter value color, and I'll burnish with pressure over top to mix the two to create the red-orange. I'll continue that process same way. I can see that it matches what I have above. All right, use the one above as your guide. And I'll continue to do it by putting the darker value in first. Orange is darker than yellow. And then I'll overlap with pressure using the yellow to create the yellow-orange. And I'll see how well it matches up against what I did on the wheel. Now with monochromatic, again, mono means one and chroma means color. So in this case where we have the center square, we're just going to pick any color and we're just going to fill that with a single hue and create a three-step monochromatic color scale. So I decided to go with green, and then the tints and shades, we're going to be adding in our black and our white color pencils. Now the process is pretty simple. All right, we're just going to be creating a darker and a lighter version of the green. So I want to start off by putting the green in and filling it nice and neat and clean and as solid and as intense as I can, just with a good enough pressure to keep it smooth. Now when I create the shade, I'm going to use the black because black is darker. And I'm going to use the warm gray technique, which means a little bit of pressure. So light pressure of black down first. It creates a medium gray. And then once I get done with the same value of gray over top of the whole space, I'm going to take the green colored pencil and I'm just going to press on top and mix the two colors, creating a nice shade of green. For the tint, a tint is adding white to a color. So obviously white is lighter than green. So I want to put green down now with medium pressure. Not as hard as I did in the middle, but I want to put it down with medium pressure so I have a good amount of green visible, or whatever color you choose. And then I'm going to overlap and burnish with pressure, mixing the white into the green. It creates a nice light version of the green, giving me just a simple two-step shade and tint of a color.